My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Toyota CHR. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 54,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of the steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Using the buttons on the left of the screen, we can access our home, menu, audio, and map. On the right, we have Bluetooth and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.